Hey, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Since you were so interested in this topic, I decided to just make a video for it. When can be a mubtada be a nakirah? Well, there's three things you can do. Two of them are in this chart, and one of them I'll tell you myself. The first one is when the mubtada is a little bit specified. It's not specified enough to be a ma'rifah, but it's still specified. And that could be done through one of two ways. Number one, you can add an adjective to it. So for example, وَلَعَبْدٌ مُؤْمِنٌ خَيْرٌ مِّن مُشْرِكٍ. So the word mu'min there, it specifies the word abd, and therefore it can be mubtada. The second time is when you add a mudaf ilayh to it. Now normally if the mudaf ilayh is ma'rifah, the mudaf also becomes ma'rifah. So for our parameters, the mudaf ilayh has to be nakirah, and yet because it adds specificity to it, it makes it more specified. Like if I was just to say a pen, it could be any pen in the world. But if I say a man's pen, now it excludes all the pens that don't belong to a man. So for example, the example here is Kitabu rajulin wasikhun. A man's book is dirty. So that's the first type. That's the type that's in our book. The second type is when it is am. And so this means when the mubtada is so general that it could mean anybody. So the first one is kullu. So the first type is when the mubtada has the word itself has an am meaning. So the word kul has a very general meaning. It refers to every single person. So kullun yamutu, every single person is going to die. So that could also be mubtada by itself. And the second one is that the word itself is not completely am, but the context makes it so general that it could refer to every single being in that category. And that could be done in two ways. Number one, you can do it by adding a negative word before it. So you can say ma rajulun fid dar. There is no man in the house. If you do that, then that excludes every single man in the whole world. Even if any man would be in that house, that statement would not be correct. And the second way you can do that is you can turn it into a question. You can say A'ilahun ma'allah. Is there any God besides Allah? So in this question, any possible na'udhu billah God would be included in this question. And the third way that's not in this graph is that, by the way, this graph is my notes from Ta'jilun Nada, which is a commentary on Qatrun Nada for my more advanced class. The third way you can do this is that you can change the order. You can bring the khabar first. So you can say, fid dari rajulun. In the house is a man. That will work as well.